So initially I used my AI prompt engineering for web development guide to create my prompt that I gave to Bolt to make my app. And that was for web development. So everything was designed for web development, everything it instructed and all the rest. So the detailed prompt was designed for web development. And I've just remade the entire document. So this one is for mobile app development. And I've actually gone through the documentation for Google Play, the human interface guidelines. I even got the new Kimi AI on the job, and it read through 38 web pages, made an entire breakdown for me. And I went through the Expo docs to recreate the project overview, the documentation, the roadmap, and the file structure. So we are now good to go. We've got this 19-page document that we can give to ChatGPT to create our prompt. So the right way is to go through the document, but the lazy way is to just copy everything. So I would take this prompt and paste that in ChatGPT, and then I would put my idea and the same short prompt given it here, and then I'm going to add the guide and then let it create that documentation. So it's so simple. And then once it's created these 3 files, we can just give that to bolt.new. So it says it's created the 3 documents. We've got the project overview, which we will use as a prompt. We've got the PRD, and then we've got the roadmap. So this is our new prompt. It's named it. I'm not sure why, but we're going to go with it. And we close that. And we've got the roadmap. It looks like it's overwritten these 2 files, but I've got the project overview in my clipboard. I'm going to hit this, paste that, and let me copy this roadmap, and let me tell it PRD is missing. I'm just going to rewrite that. So this is the entire prompt I'm going to give it, and then the PRD I'm going to add to the knowledge base. So I'm going to let it go ahead with that. So it's creating all the tabs just as it did before. Definitely seems to be taking a bit longer, but I can see it's creating more tabs than it did initially. Let's scan that, see what we got. I got an error on my phone. Oh, got an error here too. It's quite cool that I can see the entire error on my phone. I can dismiss, I can reload. I can look at extra, well, no, I can't look at extra info. So we've got a syntax error in the profile screen. So this does look a lot different. It definitely does look more iPhone app. We've got profile, challenges. Still looks very similar to the initial one, so that's fine. These tabs work. Yeah, so the main purpose of this new prompt is just to ensure that we are making our apps following best practices. Of course, once I've actually started iterating and building out the back end, I'm going to come across many new challenges. But I definitely feel like just with the web apps, getting the right start, having a strong prompt to begin with, and then adding your documentation to the knowledge base to continually guide the AI, that makes all the difference, and not just in the end result, but in the build process itself. So make sure that you're not being lazy throughout the documentation process and throughout the prompting. This PDF is available in the No Code Agents school community, so make sure you head over there and check that out.